Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you all are doing fine. In the name of Allah, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. My name is Adila. I'm your computer teacher from Elite School Abdulaziz campus. Before starting, we'll discuss some point of this task. This task is related to class 6 of computer science. There are 3 chapters. Chapter number 1 is Internet. Chapter number 2 is Electronic Mail. Chapter number 3 is MS Word 2010. Now move to question number 1, which is filling the blanks. Number 1 is Internet is generally referred to as. Generally means common. You have to write Internet in generally word. So general is net. We have to say Internet in generally word is net. Internet generally refers to as net. Next is URL refers to dash of a website. URL refers to, it comes from chapter number 2. There all our blanks come from chapter number 2, 3 and 1. Now move to question number 2, which is write the shortcut keys for the following. Number 1 is Control plus 2. Control plus 2 is used for double line spacing in MS Word 2010. Next, Control plus O. Control plus O is used for open the document. When you have to work and the document, so you have to open with this document with Control plus O is a shortcut key to open the document. Now move to next question, which is question number 4, multiple choice questions. There are some multiple choice questions and that all are consist of chapter number 2, 3 and 1. Dash consists of a brief summary of a message content. Brief means detail में लिखना है. So subject field, data field, from field. What is the answer of correct field? Data field. You can change your dash anytime. Password. Students, you have to change your password at any time. आप अपना पासवर्ड किसी भी वक्त चेंज कर सकते हैं. अपना यूज़र नेम, अकाउंट नेम, इसको आप इतनी आसानी से फ़ौरन चेंज नहीं कर सकते rather than password. Now all the multiple choice questions related to chapter number 2, 3 and 1. Now move to question number 5, which is tick the correct and cross the wrong ones. Number 1 is email was started in 1965. ईमेल वाज स्टार्टेड. स्टार्ट कब हुआ था? 1965. मतलब ईमेल का दौर कहाँ से शुरू हुआ था? ईमेल वाज स्टार्टेड हिस्ट्री 1965. इज इट करेक्ट? नेक्स्ट इज फॉरवर्ड बटन इज यूज टू गो टू द प्रीवियस वेब पेज. फॉरवर्ड मीन्स आगे होता है, तो फॉरवर्ड बटन इज यूज टू गो द प्रीवियस वेब पेज. इज इट फॉल्स? दैट ऑल आर टिक एंड क्रॉस क्वेश्चंस आर रिलेटेड टू चैप्टर नंबर 2, 3 and 1. Now move to next, which is question number 6. Write the following clues and search 6 words in grid below. Search downwards, upward, diagonally or across. Number 1 is method of sending and receiving message. So answer is email. You have to search the word of email from this grid line and write the answer of this. Next, question number 7. Answer the following question. What is extension of MS Word फाइल? एक्सटेंशन मीन्स जहाँ आप अपनी फ़ाइल सेव करते हैं किसी भी डॉक्यूमेंट में, तो किसी भी ऑफिस में जब आप काम कर रहे होते हैं लाइक MS एक्सेल, पावर पॉइंट, आउटलुक, सो आप एक्सटेंशन लगाते हैं. उस एक्सटेंशन को हमने यहाँ पर लिखना है. लाइक पावर पॉइंट की अगर हम बात करें WPPT. इसी तरह वर्ड की भी एक्सटेंशन है जो कि आप चैप्टर नंबर 2 में से ईजिली लिख सकेंगे. डिफाइन मोडेम एंड टाइप. इट्स कम फ्रॉम चैप्टर नंबर 2. व्हाट आर द कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ इंटरनेट एक्सेस सॉफ्टवेयर? Define the following: web page, website, ISP. That 3 questions are related to chapter number 1 and auto shape is related to chapter number 4. Next, how to set a page orientation. Orientation means displaying, मतलब means how to display your page, कि आपका पेज किस तरह से नज़र आ रहा है. लैंडस्केप, हॉरिजेंटल. राइट द एडवांटेज ऑफ ईमेल. एक्सप्लेन कैप्चा व्हाट आर द पार्ट्स ऑफ हेडर सेक्शन ऑफ ईमेल. राइट द नेम ऑफ some popular web browsers. Write down the features of the email. that all are questions related chapter number 2 and 3. Students, you can also help from answer key. Next, question number 8. Define the following key terms. WWW, World Wide Web. Next is TCP, Transfer Control Protocol. CC, Carbon Copy. All these key terms related to chapter number 2 and 3. Now move to next, which is uncramble each of the following. Uncrambles means unsequenced word. There are unsequenced where you have to convert these words in sequence manner. First is hyperlink, second one is sign out, third is Google, fourth is inbox, and last one is reply. So last one question is practical work. So students, you have to open internet icon and type in address bar http://www.google.com. when you have to enter this address, so you have to write enter key and search the solar system or importance of trees, and you find the results of this address. Hopefully you have to get my point very clearly. Students, if any have confusion in this task, so you have to ask very freely from me and WhatsApp group of your class 6. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.